back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another work from home job lead for you. Real quick, funny story, because editing and uploading to YouTube sometimes takes a few minutes. Once the video is finished uploading to YouTube, I always double check my job link before I hit post to make sure that the job is still active at the time that I post the video. So I was getting ready to post something about 45 minutes ago, and when I checked the link, they had taken the job down just in the few minutes that it took me to upload the video to YouTube. I was feeling a little bit defeated, but I was just looking for something else, and then this popped up. I'm going to take it as a sign from above because this one requires absolutely no experience whatsoever. The links to everything, as always, is in the YouTube description box below this video. The company is Global Payments. They have a 3.4 out of 5-star rating on Glassdoor. And they are hiring a remote chargeback specialist. They are paying, because they require no experience whatsoever, only $15 an hour. That comes out to $600 a week. They are offering benefits that start on day one of your employment. And this is a Monday through Friday daytime shift. But they are looking for someone to be responsible for research and resolution of customer credit card chargebacks. You're going to be required to research detailed transaction information, have some analytical skills, and document those actions taken. You may have to make some outbound phone calls to merchants like stores and stuff to verify the credit card charges, to the credit card holders that are disputing the chargeback, and others. So it is not a call center job where you're connected to the phone all day taking inbound calls, but it may require you to pick up the phone from time to time and reach out to people to get additional information. It says you'll develop and apply basic skills appropriate to research, process, and resolve credit card chargebacks and reversal requests for 3 or more dispute reason codes specific to the supported card brand. You'll work basic assignments from work queues as directed, assist with the segmentation of pending requests from various work queues, and so you'll begin to develop and understand an intermediate knowledge of different card brands like Visa, MasterCard, Discover, and Amex. So what are they looking for? They don't require any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma or GED. And then it says typically no relevant experience is required. Now their preferred qualification is 0 to 2 years of related work experience handling some kind of dispute resolutions. But again, no relevant work experience is required. They're just looking for somebody who can learn company policies and procedures to complete the assigned task. So you got to be somebody who's willing to learn, work on assignments in semi-routine nature. So it's like the same processing over and over and over. If the same task over and over is boring to you, this might not be for you. And unfortunately, they didn't state what their benefit package is, but it does say that they offer one and it starts on day one of employment. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave anything specific that you're looking for in the comments. If you have any suggestions on different job leads that I could look for, different ways that I can make this channel better, please let me know in the comments below, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.